Hi, this is Wayne Bilal with tip number 12 of our 35 QuickBooks 2013 tips and tricks. This one is using the company snapshot to get a quick look at how your company is doing. Look, this is a tool that was added, and I want to say 08, 09, I really can't tell you. Off the top of my head, I don't remember. But it's every business owner should be using it, and unfortunately, very few business owners know it even exists. So right here is where it's at. Up here in snapshot. If that's not in your memory bar, it's up here in the company menu and right there. Okay, either one will bring it up. All right. Um, what it does, and you can see we have different things going on. I can look for a particular customer. Um, so I can literally see what's happening for this customer. Pretty handy. Tells me the number of years as a customer, their average days to pay, open balance, credit limit, sales by summary. I can change it, to any time period. Any recent invoices, so I can see what's going on. Recent payments. They don't have any payments at the moment, and their sales history says they were paying for 6 years, but they haven't been back in a while. Tells me what they bought. Okay. Now what's kind of cool about this is notice how I have the zoom feature. I can go over this, click, and see exactly the invoice and continue clicking until I get to the invoice. I can see exactly what they paid. Customer can be changed pretty easily just by clicking there and picking a different customer. All right. Payments. This particular one, let me see. Am I done with customers? Yes. Okay. Payments. Um, yeah, I can receive a payment. Tells here I can do quite a bit. I can receive a payment, create a sales receipt, actually credit and refunds if I see something wrong. This kind of tells me how much was paid and how much is unpaid of last month. All right. It's got some little tips on getting paid faster, which is kind of handy if you click on that. It brings you up, I think, to their help feature, which and some things you can do. So not bad. Oh, they want you to actually accept credit cards. My bad. So be careful. This is by Intuit. So I mean, there's always selling, which you got to give them credit for, and it might be worth learning. On this particular, this is looking at the various customers. All right, and I can click on that and see an aging. Who's current, who's not. So that's pretty handy. Customers owe me money. I can review this pretty quickly. Recent transactions, I can see what's happening. And there's some reminders here. I got some money that needs to be deposited and some invoices that are past due that I can make a collection call on. Okay. On the tab up here for company, I can see quickly what my income and expense trend is. I can do this for various time frames. Okay. There's my income in green. So, the company's making money. Per year income comparison, so current year, roughly we haven't done much. I can change this to monthly if I want to see what I'm doing by month. And it compares this year versus last year. Again, customers owe you money, prior year expenses. Again, I can do this monthly or quarterly so I can see how it works. My top customers by sale. That's one of the tricks to making more money. Is basically figure out who your best customers are and make sure you keep them happy and see if you can get them to buy more from you. Your best customers know you, like you, and trust you, so they're the best ones to sell to first. And then here's some account balances and some quick things. Down here kind of shows you your expense breakdown. In this particular case, job expenses to be expected, payrolls next, insurance, so on and so on. And you'd have to close this down to get out of it, which I can't do in this screen capture for some reason. But until now, later, remember, as a business owner, you definitely want to be using your snapshot. Till tip number 13. We'll see you later.